Hello, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, it is. Are you flying today?
Yes, I am going to Abu Dhabi.
Nice. I'm going there too.
What do I need for check-in?
You need your passport and ticket.
Where do I get my bag?
At the check-in counter.
Is there a weight limit?
Yes, usually 30 kilograms.
What happens if my bag is too heavy?
You may need to pay extra.
Where is immigration?
After check-in, follow the signs.
What do they ask at immigration?
They ask where you go and why.
I feel nervous.
Don't worry. Just answer honestly.
Where's my gate?
Look at the screen. It shows your gate number.
What is boarding?
It means getting on the plane.
When should I go to the gate?
At least 30 minutes before departure.
Can I change my seat?
Maybe. Ask the staff politely.
Is the window seat good?
Yes. You can see the sky and clouds.
Will they give food?
Yes, on long flight they do.
Can I ask for vegetarian food?
Yes, you can request it.
Is there Wi-Fi on the plane?
Some planes have it. Check with the airline.
Can I charge my phone?
Yes, many seats have charging ports.
My ears hurt during landing.
Try chewing gum. It helps.
What is customs?
It's where they check your bags after landing.
Can I buy a SIM card at the airport?
Yes, there are shops near the exit.
How do I get a taxi?
Go outside. You'll see the taxi stand.
Is Uber safe here?
Yes, many people use it.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
I feel better now. Flying is not so hard.
Exactly. You'll enjoy the journey.